Hey everybody, Eric from RT Machine, here to invite you to an exciting event at our Hughesville, PA showroom. On May 15th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., we will be hosting a targeted open house featuring Friulmac Selects line of woodworking machinery. Some featured pieces will include the Conturmat HS high-speed double-end coping machine, the Randomat E Evo random length end matcher, the Randomax Evo defecting end matcher, and Old Reliable, the dual feed, double end trim, and molder feeder that put Friulmac on the map 50 years ago. If you manufacture flooring, cabinet doors, or components of any kind, don't miss it. So please join us for a day of demonstration and discussion with industry professionals, and stick around for lunch. Also, don't forget to check out the used machinery warehouse while you're here. Give us a call or shoot us an email to sign up today. We hope to see you here.